Welcome back. It's not too late to get rid of those unwanted pounds, and our next guest has helped so many people do just that with the NutriMost program, and he wants to help you too. Please welcome Dr. Jon Thomas, who is the director of Vibrant Life Health Center, back to the show. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us, as always.
So let's start off and just talking, what is NutriMost?
You know, NutriMost is a very specific program. A lot of people look for a weight loss program, and they look for that cookie cutter or that one price fits all. How can I do this like everybody else does it? This is not like that. This is a very transformational program. It utilizes a technology that can specifically get your body into that ultimate state of fat burn, and you're going to lose that fat where you want to lose it. And that's what's really key. It's not like everything else out there. It's specific to you, your body, the needs of your body, and what we do in that program to get you. So no two programs are alike. It's very unique, it's very specific, and that's why it's guaranteed to work, because it is that effective.
And it makes sense because no two people lose weight the same way.
That's correct.
So the technology of NutriMost is really sort of the differentiator. Tell us a little bit about the technology.
You know, the technology is very specific, and that's why I always say go to the website, because for 5 minutes on TV, it's just really hard to cover that information. Right. But it allows us to literally talk to the cells of your body. So if you can imagine that in your head, literally asking it questions and finding out what is the fight, what's going on down there that we need to help. And we can determine exactly what we need to do to detox, to energize, to rejuvenate, to rehydrate the cell structure, and then remove the interference or the barriers that keep it from getting into fat burn. And when we can do all that, it's amazing what happens in that body. It's awesome.
Now, sometimes, you know, when you hear technology, people don't understand how technology plays into fat loss and weight loss. But explain how the technology works on an individual.
Great question, because when you do that, when we're reading the body and getting that information back, we can determine exactly. There's no more guessing. We know exactly where your body has mineral and vitamin deficiencies, what hormones and neurotransmitters are out of balance in your body, what we have to do to correct those situations, what organs are actually not functioning as optimally as they should. If you can find all that information in your body, can you imagine what changes you can make in not only fat loss but in health? It's an amazing program, and that's one of the cool things is not only is it a fat loss program, the health potential that you restore in your body is also incredible.
Well, it's interesting because I know you've shared the story before that your wife cannot eat broccoli.
That's correct.
So it will literally tell you what you should or should not be eating.
You know what, through this program you will learn the disruptors that you have, you'll learn the things that you've done wrong for years, and now you'll understand why nothing ever worked, you know, and why it always comes back. We'll explain that all in that consultation that we have with you.
And here's what I think is very impressive is it's guaranteed. You say this is completely guaranteed.
It's guaranteed. So 20 pounds in 40 days guaranteed. So how can you go wrong, right? I mean, it's something that is very effective, very safe. There's no medications, no injections. You know, none of those things are involved in this process. It's a very safe and complete program to approach your body.
So also tell us a little bit about the results that somebody should expect. I come to you, we start the program, you tell me what I need to do. Where am I in 40 days? What am I looking like?
You know, typically, it's a great question. Females will lose 25 to 35 plus in this program. Men will be 35 to 45 plus in this program. So it is really amazing to watch that. And the cool thing is that that's fat. You know, that's not water weight, muscle mass, bone mass. That's actually fat coming off your body. So I have patients that go from a size 16 to a size 6, from a size 18 to a size 12. It really is amazing how it transforms the shape of your body through this process.
Sometimes I am up late at night and I watch these crazy infomercials about how to lose weight, and I think these people will take pills and they're not under doctor supervision.
No, they're not.
But you really stay with the patient throughout the program.
Throughout the whole program, I'm with them every step of the way. If there's a question, a hiccup, or anything, because again, everybody's different. So you can't approach it and just say, okay, this is your program, this is going to work, I'll see you in 45 days. It doesn't work like that. You've really got to work with that person, walk with them through this journey, because it is a journey. And there's going to be times where they're going to have different challenges, different things will come up, and they text me about these issues, and we talk about it, and we make the right solutions, and we take care of it. So if there's ever a hiccup, they have a source to go to find out what they need to do. And that's very unique for this program. What I call it's priceless.
Right. I was at the beach this past weekend with a bunch of girlfriends, and not one of us was like, you know, saying we really loved how we looked out on the beach. So for those women and men who are out there right now, and it is summertime and we're all, you know, wearing fewer clothes, how do they find you? What's the best place to get their research done?
You know, the best place is to go to the website at vlhcjax.com. Go to that website. There's tons of information there. You can find out all the answers to your questions. questions. And then if you want to find out anything more, you can always call 683-8177, call the office and ask your questions there. But the most important thing, come into that consultation. It's a $27 cost. It's a consultation with me personally to find out exactly how this program can transform your life. And we can answer all the questions about finance, about the program, how long it's going to be. All those things will be taken care of in that initial consultation.
And you don't, just because you're local here in Jacksonville, you've worked with people who are out of state, out of the city.
I have. I've got patients all the way up in Michigan, all in Tennessee. I've got them in West Virginia. I've got them in Miami. I've got them in Atlanta. Yeah, I work with them quite heavily across the country. Yes.
Wow. Well, thank you as always
You
for
bet.
being here. It's like I said, it's summertime. This is some really valuable information. We'd like to thank Vibrant Life Health Center for sponsoring this segment, and to learn more, visit vlhcjax.com, or again, you can call the office at 904-683-8177, and we'll be right back.